Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable back button in Samsung phone. So, if you have a Samsung Galaxy device and you've changed to swipe gesture instead of using the buttons on your Samsung phone, now you want to change to it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change to back button on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. So just open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to display and click on that. Under display, scroll down and click on navigation bar. Now, once you select the navigation bar, switch from swipe gestures to buttons. Then, once you selected buttons, just hang on and you'll see the back button pop on your Samsung phone. Then, if you click on the home button, then instead of using swipe gesture henceforth, then you'll be able to use back buttons and buttons on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to enable back button on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.